Good morning. The topic today is related to the military exercise. Even you heard many times from the radio station and from the newspaper you have read, and many times you have seen on the phone screen during the scrolling of social media that the one exercise is happening in that place between the two countries. That's very important. Before discuss the some military name of some military exercises, we are going to discuss about the some what is the importance of the military exercises. Why one country conduct the exercise with the another countries? What is the importance? First, we are going to discuss about the importance of that exercises. That as we conduct military exercises. We means India conduct military exercises. Many military exercises with the other countries to enhance the power of military capability and to improve the relationship between the countries and to trigger the pace of technological progress. And there is one thing is a common today. There is a very elephantine problem of the world, that is terrorism and the cyber attack. When two countries come to the eastern for the exercise of the military, they share their knowledge, they share their tactic in the war, they share their language, their culture, and as well as they come to the each other, they share the tactic how to tackle the situations in the terrorism and the cyber attack. Exercise help in the better preparation for the war, strengthen strategic cooperation and the mutual trust, and even sometimes it improve regional security and the stability and the friendly relations and the goodwill between the India and other countries. Some exercises I have written on the piece of paper. I have lot of importance, but lack of time. We have written on the piece of paper. After this, we pin on the green board. But we are going to recall some name of the exercise that are. The first is Karun Shakti. Even you hear the many times here on the television that the Karun Shakti is happening between the India and the Indonesia. It's a army exercise. The second is Malabar. It's a very common. You have to read the story beyond this exercise while we conduct these military exercises that are like a Malabar. This exercise is a naval exercise conducted by the Naval Academy and conducted among the Australia, Japan, India and the USA. The third is Kajin. Kajin is an army exercise between the India and Kazakhstan. And the fourth is a Yuddhabhyas. It's a name of exercise, that's a Yuddhabhyas, army exercise between the India and USA. And next is GMAX. It's also a naval exercise. It's happening between the India and Japan. And the next one, third, Guardian. It's a very important, that's a joint military exercise, India and Japan, between the India and Japan. The last is Vijay Prahar. It's also the army exercise happening with India.